In this guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to boost a post on Instagram, step by step, so you can promote your content effectively, reach more people, and grow your profile or business. Boosting a post is one of the simplest ways to advertise on Instagram without needing to dive into the complexities of Meta Ads Manager. Whether you're promoting a new product, an event, or just want to increase engagement, this tutorial will help you get started from scratch. The first thing you need to do before boosting any post is to make sure your Instagram account is set up correctly. Boosting is only available for creator or business accounts. If you're currently using a personal account, you won't see the Boost Post option. To switch, open Instagram and tap the 3 horizontal bars in the top right corner of your profile page. Then, go to Settings, scroll to Account, and select Account Type. Here, you'll see the option to switch to either a business or creator account. Choose the one that fits you best. Both work for boosting posts, but a business account gives you slightly more access to insights and analytics. Once that's done, you're ready to move forward. Now, head back to your profile and select the post you want to boost. This can be a photo, a video, or even a carousel post. Underneath it, you'll see a button that says Boost Post. Tap that. This will open a new screen where the setup process begins. The first step in the setup is to select your goal. Instagram gives you 3 main options: more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. Your choice depends on what you want to achieve. If you're trying to grow your audience and get people to follow you, choose more profile visits. If your goal is to drive traffic to an external site, like a shop, landing page, or portfolio, you can select more website visits. And if you run a service-based business and want customers to contact you directly, you can choose more messages. For this walkthrough, we'll go with more profile visits, since that's a common goal for creators and small businesses. Tap Next to continue. Next, you'll set up your target audience, one of the most important steps. Instagram gives you 2 options. You can let Instagram automatically choose your audience, or you can create one manually. If you're completely new to advertising, the automatic option is a safe place to start since Instagram uses its algorithm to show your post to people who are most likely to engage. However, if you already know who your ideal audience is, for example, if you're a local business or you know your customers' interests, it's better to create your own audience. Let's say you're a photographer based in Dallas, Texas. Tap Create Your Own Audience. Under Location, type in Dallas, Texas, and you'll see the area appear on a map. Tap Done to save that region. Now go to Interests, and here you can target people based on what they like. For a photographer, you might select photography, camera gear, art, or travel. The key is to choose interests related to your content or services. You'll see your estimated audience size change as you add or remove interests. Instagram recommends keeping your audience broad enough, typically between 200,000 and 2 million people. Anything too small may limit your reach, while an overly large audience may dilute your targeting. You can also refine your audience by age or gender if needed, but you can leave those settings open for now. Once you're satisfied, tap Next. Now it's time to set your budget and duration. This determines how much you'll spend and how long your boosted post will run. You'll see a slider where you can adjust the daily budget and the number of days the promotion will last. Instagram automatically shows an estimated reach, the number of people who will likely see your post each day. For example, if you set your budget to $10 per day for 7 days, your estimated reach might be between 3,000 and 8,600 people, depending on how well your post performs. You also have 2 options for your campaign duration. You can either let it run for a fixed number of days, or choose Run Until You Pause It, which keeps the promotion going indefinitely until you manually stop it. The second option is great if you want to keep an ongoing promotion, but if you think you might forget to pause it later, set a duration to avoid overspending. Remember, you can always come back and adjust your budget or stop the boost at any time. Once your budget and duration look good, tap Next. On the next screen, you'll see a summary of your promotion. Instagram will display your goal, audience, budget, and duration settings all in one place. Take a moment to review everything. If something doesn't look right, tap Edit next to the section you want to change. When everything looks good, scroll down to add your payment method. You can link a credit or debit card, PayPal, or another payment option supported in your region. Once your payment information is added, you're ready to launch your promotion. Tap Boost Post to confirm. After you hit that button, Instagram will review your post to ensure it complies with its advertising policies. This usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once approved, your boost will start running automatically. You'll receive a notification confirming that your post is now being promoted. While your boost is active, you can check its performance analytics directly in the Instagram app. Go to your profile, find the boosted post, and tap View Insights. Here, you'll see data like how many people saw your post, how many interacted with it, where your audience came from, and how much you've spent so far. This is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not. If you notice your post isn't performing as expected, you can pause the promotion, tweak your audience or budget, and restart it. Now, it's important to understand the difference between boosting a post and running a full Instagram ad campaign. Boosting is quick and easy, great for promoting a single post, an event, or just increasing your visibility for a short time. But it's limited in customization. You can't create multiple versions, track conversions deeply, or add advanced targeting like you can with Ads Manager. Running a full ad through Meta Ads Manager, on the other hand, gives you far more control. You can choose placements, retarget audiences, collect emails, and optimize for sales or specific actions. In short, use boosted posts when you want a simple way to grow your reach or engagement fast. For example, promoting a new photo shoot, event, or milestone post. But if your goal is to drive people to your website, sell products, or gather leads, it's better to create a structured ad campaign in Ads Manager instead. That approach will give you more data, more flexibility, and often better long-term results for your money. And that's it. That's how to set up and manage a boosted post on Instagram from start to finish. It's a simple yet powerful way to get more eyes on your content and build your audience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to boost an Instagram post step by step. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy, actionable marketing tutorials. Stay consistent, keep testing what works best for your audience, and you'll see real results from your Instagram promotions in no time.